Hi, my name is Steven. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize all your WooCommerce emails using this simple plugin. This is a drag and drop plugin. You can see right here, you can pretty much drag anything that you want. You can see you can drag an image, you can drag in a button, you can pretty much drag anything that you want into your WooCommerce email using this plugin. Let me go ahead and show you the one that I already customized. You can see here that I already customized this one right here. You can see you can actually go from this boring WooCommerce email like this to something like this, just to match your brand and make sure that it looks exactly the way you want it. I think this plugin is a game changer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this plugin to customize your WooCommerce plugin. You can see here that you can pretty much add anything that you want. You can add like a one-time upsell for people that already shop on your website. They can click on this actually from their receipt, from their invoice, to go back on your website to shop this. You can add a video, maybe something that you're selling required them to watch a video or something. You can add that on your receipt here, and you can see you can add your social media icons. You can add pretty much anything that you want on this invoice. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress website. So let me go ahead and log into another WordPress website. So here you can see that I'm right inside my dashboard. This is another WordPress website. We're going to go to plugins, and then we're going to add a new plugin. So click on add new, and then here we're going to type YAML. So the name of the plugin that we're going to use is called YAML. So once you type in YAML here, this is the plugin that we need. So go ahead and install this and click activate. So once you have that activated, let's go back to plugins right now. You can see that we have that plugin right here at the bottom. So go ahead and click on settings. And this will take you right into the WooCommerce customizer. Here you can customize your WooCommerce email just the way you want it. Obviously here you can select the email that you want to customize. So you can go ahead and customize any of these that you want. But I'm going to be focusing on the customer invoice, which is the same one that customer is going to receive whenever they shop for anything on your website. And then if you want to customize the new order, so this one is the one that you are going to receive to, notify you that you have a new order from your website or something. But if you want to customize the one that customer is going to receive, you can go ahead and customize this. Of course, you can customize all of them to your liking to make sure you match your brand. But I'm going to focus on the customer invoice right here. And then from here, the first thing we need to do is, of course, change the logo to your own logo. And here you can see the WooCommerce logo. Just click on it, and you can move this around by just dragging it and putting it anywhere you want. Let's say you want to move this logo here, you can drag it and put it here. Or you can click this arrow here to move it up and down to the top. And then you can click on the logo, and then you go over here on the left, and then you can make the changes. So this is basically similar to Elementor. So if you use Elementor, this is really nice the way they build this. I kind of like the design and the way they build this plugin. So from here you can choose an image, and then from here you are going to select your logo, click on use this image. Now you can see that I have my logo here, and then from here you can increase the width and size just the way you want it. If you want it this big, you can go ahead and leave it like that, and then when you click, it's going to look exactly like this. Or you can just reduce the width to whatever you want. So I'm going to leave my maybe like this, and then here you can go ahead and use your brand color here if you want. You can change this color, or you can make it completely white, right? So this is the background color. We can change this to white if we want, and then it's going to look like this. But I'm going to use a color here so that I can see the, of course you can change the text color to a different color if you are using white background. But I'm going to use white text here, and then I'm going to use a different color for the background. So I'm going to maybe use the same color that I have on my logo. So I'm going to grab my color picker, and then I'm going to grab this color right here, and then I'm going to use the same color here in the background. I'll just paste the hex code here. Now you can see that we have the exact same color. And then of course this text right here, you can change it to whatever you want. So you can change it to something like your order details. whatever you want to change here, you can go ahead and put that in here. So this one also you can change it. Maybe I want to make this high John. Maybe I want to make it bold. I'm going to highlight that high John in here, and then I'm going to click on bold. That's going to make it bold. If I want to give it a different color, I'm going to select the color over here, and then I can change the color. You can see right there that I have a different color, or maybe I want it to be black. But here I don't want any color. I'm going to leave it like this. And then of course this is just the template. You can create all of this from scratch, because if I click over here now, you can see here that we have WooCommerce. You can pretty much add any of these that you already have in here. But why do that when you already have this? For example, like the billing address right here, you can see the billing and shipping address. You can pretty much add that in here. You can see, just to design it the way you want it, and then you can align that to the middle or to the left if you want. And then if you don't want this section, you can go ahead and delete it by clicking on remove. And then you're going to say yes, you are sure that you want to remove this. So here you can see all these WooCommerce settings right here. You can grab this, which is the same thing with the downloads over here. So you can pretty much add anything that you want. You can see so far that our design is looking pretty good. And then I'm going to change all these colors right here to my brand color. So I'm going to just change this color. I'll paste the hex code here, and that will just change this color. And then to change all the link color, we're just going to click back over here and go to settings. And then from here, we're going to click on email settings. And then from this email settings, you can see our background color and the container color. And then we can change the link color from here. Now you can see that all the link we have here, the WooCommerce, everything, all the link have changed. So now we can click on this billing and shipping address, and here we can also change the color as well. Okay, so now we have consistent branding here. Of course, you can change the size of the text if you want. If you scroll down here, you can change this to like a different font, to whatever font that you want. You can see there's a lot of fonts here that you can use. And then of course you can change the text right here to whatever you want. You can make it bold if you want, and change the color as well. And then you can also center align it if you want. Just move this to the middle like that. Just the same with all these sections right here. You can center align them if you want. Also these headings over here, you can center align it like that if you want. So the center applies with this order over here. You can click on the center alignment and align it like this. And then if you go back over here, you can see the one that I created earlier. I have this video right here that if you buy this specific soccer kit, and then you're going to watch a video on how to use that soccer kit. So I put that video in here. You can do something like that as well. So with this email customizer, you can add pretty much anything that you want, anywhere you want it. So let's go back here at the elements, and then we're going to click on the basic element. And then from here, you can add pretty much any of this in here to your email templates. So let me drag a video, and then I'm going to add that in here. And then from here, you can see if you click on it, we're going to add a link to that video over here. So the video URL, you are going to add the link to the video at the bottom over here. And then you are going to put an image overlay if you want. So I'm going to choose an image overlay. For this one, maybe I will choose this image over here. So this is like a music, I don't know, just for fun, I just picked this image. But you get the idea. You can pretty much do anything that you want with this. And then if you don't like this here, maybe you can move it at the bottom, or you can move it at the top. You can just click on this arrow to move it at the bottom over here. And then maybe you can add your social media icons. You can see here that we have the social medias over here. And then you can drag it at the bottom here, and then you can add them in here. Now we have 3. Then you can add more if you want. Select the social media that you want to add, maybe Messenger, and then click OK. And then for the colors, you can change the colors if you want, just by going to the theme style here, and then you can choose which color that you want to go. If you choose colorful, it's going to put the actual color of these social media icons. And then you can choose a different color here. So I'm going to go with a solid black, the dark one over here. And then I'm going to leave it like that. And then of course you can align that to the right or left, to the middle, however you want it. And again, you get the idea. If you see the one that I created here, what we have here, that this customer wanted to have one-time offer for $10 for people that have already purchased a particular product, then they will be able to get this for just $10. So this is not available on the website. This is only available through the invoice, like the receipt. So they have to click on this link to go to this page to get this for just $10. So that's what you can do with this email customizer that you see over here. So you get the idea now. So I'm not going to make this video way too long. So once you finish customizing your receipt to your liking, you can go ahead and click on save changes over here. That is going to save the changes, and this is your customer invoice. And then you can go ahead and customize any other receipt that you want to customize. Maybe you want to customize the order cancel or failed order, because this will also go to your customer as well. You can go ahead and customize all of this. And then once you finish the customizations that you want to do, make sure that you go over here on each of them and click enable this template. So once you enable this template, WooCommerce will use this template instead when it's sending email to your customer, instead of using the default WooCommerce template. So this is how you customize your WooCommerce emails using this free email customizer. If this video was helpful for you one way or the other, please like this video so that more people can see this video on YouTube, so that it will help them as well. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.